Greetings everybody. Today I will be showing you how to get Counter-Strike Source for free. So you will need uTorrent for this project, and there will be link in description to download it, but I will be still showing you how to get it. So go to Google, type in uTorrent, take the first one, then click get uTorrent and free download. Then just let it download and then just install it. So after you have done that, type in Pirate Bay. Then just take the first one. Then go to type in this. You don't have to, cause there will be link in description to this too. So just go to the link and you will get here. So just click get this torrent. I have already done it, so I will not do it, but this will take a while, depends on your internet speed. But come to this video again after you have downloaded this. So okay, so now when you have downloaded it, just double click it and just double click set up and install it. This will take a while, so I'll just pause this video and I will resume after I have downloaded this. So when you have installed it, just click exit. And this will pop up. Just let this update, and this will take a while too, so I will resume this video after this update. Okay. So after you have updated this, just click start and there you go. I will show you a little gameplay as a proof that this works. But I have to change my frap settings, cause it can't record this right now. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the gameplay and rate, comment, subscribe, and hope you enjoyed and learned something.
This is your time, your life flashing before your eyes, and soon enough you will realize this is goodbye. But what if I gave you a chance? You just have to sell your soul.
как просто месяц. Да, отлично.
Волкодав, я чуть не обосрался. Фу, смотрите.
Чувствую.
Чувствую.
Давайте, кто из вас самый злой ксенофоб?
Как? Да вот так. Чё мою лапу не подобрал?